Let's see how to add custom code to your website. I'm going to create a new file here because that's easiest to get started. The name of this file is text2, showing IDE, and here's this file. So to start with, I'm going to change this file's type, which is the application that will be executed when this file is rendered, to HTML1. This is an engine that allows you to write simple HTML code in the file's body. So this is the file's properties and attributes that we are editing now, and this is the file's body where the previously added text was. So we can just say hello world here, or maybe add some HTML as well. So let's save this and come here. There you go, it says hello world. So at this point, this file is already selectable. You can move it around if you want, and it will be moved around on the file system. You can also do all these changes here. It has the same effect. Now let's change this HTML file into some dynamic application. There are a couple of built-in types that you can use, or built-in engines. For example, the SJS4E engine is a server-side JavaScript engine version 4, and the embedded version allows you to basically embed JavaScript into HTML instead of writing JavaScript first and then printing it. So it's very much similar to PHP. So let's come here, save it, and then come here. And hello world, say from file. And here we can inject some JavaScript. F points to the current file, and we can get the file's path by writing f.path. And there you go, it says hello from this file. You can do regular file operations with that. You can, for example, move this file or copy this file. As you can see, it will be automatically renamed for you. There you go. If you're interested where you can find all these engines and the documentation, if you go to boomla.com, you can go to docs, depending on how fast at the time your network connection is. Then go to API reference, file types, and we've been using the HTML1 and the SJS4E engine because this is just an embedded version of the SJS4 engine. You will find the actual documentation for the API under SJS4, and here we've been using file.path here. You can also try out all these codes right on the documentation page.